everyone, this is Pranita Janalgetta from Team AHA, and I'm really excited today because we have a special guest on board. Adi cheppe mundu, I'd like to tell you what is the importance of this month. This is Super September on AHA, September, where we have some amazing releases, two of which are releasing this Friday. Jyotika Garu's much awaited Bangaru Talli and Magwalu Matrame. మనం చెప్పుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే both these films are a follow up to the hugely successful 36 వయసులో, which was one of the most watched films on AHA, and I'm so excited. Jyotika garu, thank you for being here. Hi.
Yes, the Telugu audience have always been a very superior audience. That's what Surya and I both feel. I feel the kind of love they have for cinema and the way they celebrate their films is extremely special. And I'm very happy that Muppayar Vaisulo got such a nice response from them, and I'm eagerly awaiting that to see more of their love, especially the ladies, because I do a lot of women-centric films. So this I have to mention that their love is extremely special, and they give a lot of their own energy to a film. It's a very special audience.
So Jyotika garu, you kind of made a comeback in, for the Telugu audience, to the audience here in Telugu with 36 వయసులో. The film was a crazy success for AHA because it's one of the most watched films for us. And adi ayyaka, now you have two anticipated releases. So what is the one thing that you'd want to tell Telugu viewers? How, is their love unexpected? How has it been?
I would like to tell the Telugu viewers that they have the way they receive a film is very special. That's why I think all the language films get dubbed and released in Telugu. I think they have this eye for cinema in a very different way. They're ready to watch a dubbed film, they're ready to watch new actors, they're ready to just accept a good film the way it is. So that broad spectrum of mind that the Telugu viewers have is really shows that how much their love is for cinema. So just want to tell them, keep loving us, keep encouraging us, and we will always do good and meaningful films.
So Jyotika, just an observation. So in three films, Bangaru Talli, Magwalu Matrame, and 36 వయసులో, all of them are very different stories, and the journey of the lead characters is very different. But our underlying theme ఏదైతే ఉందో, like every film in some way conveys the empowerment of women. So is it like a conscious decision to work on films like this? So how do you choose them, and what motivates you to do these kind of films?
Yes, it is a conscious decision. I take films and stories which empower women, and I wouldn't say I'm empowering them. I'd say I choose films where women are shown how they are actually shown in real life, how they actually are in real life. I mean, women are extremely intelligent, multitasking, and they can handle anything. Very contrast to the way they are shown in cinema, where they are shown extremely glamorous and running around the trees, dancing, wearing good clothes, always asking help from the heroes. That's not how women are in reality. If you see, they run the household, and most of the time the men are dependent on them. So I feel that power that a woman has is not shown correctly in cinema. So I make this conscious decision in choosing a role which shows the women the way they are. I don't know if I'm empowering them, but I feel it just shows they're already very powerful. I think I'm just picking a film because it shows women how they are. Because when I walk out of a film, I want to see, feel proud as a woman walking out.
So for anyone who has watched Maglar Mattum, the original film, and now will watch Magwalu Matrame on Telugu on AHA, what we will get to watch is that the film explores this very unique concept of female friendship. It's a thing which is done in a lot of films, but this has been done in a very unique way in this film. So I'm trying to understand what your take is on female friendships and their on-screen portrayal.
Yeah, so in Magwalu Matrame, I play this, very outward kind of a girl, very, very confident, extremely explosive, believes in what she does, believes in equality, and lives life on her own terms. And it's a very fun character, and it's her road trip with her mother-in-law and her two friends, and it's completely riot. It's a difference in thinking between that generation of women versus today, and I think it's something very fresh, it's something fun, and it's something we all should do for our mothers or our mother-in-laws or the elder people in our family. I think they've lived enough for us. We should give them a chance to live for themselves. That's what Maguvalu Matrame is all about.
Have you ever gone on a road trip or just a trip in general with your mom-in-law? And if you have, what has it been like?
Oh, yes, with my mother in law, yes, I have had a trip. We both went to a detox center for 10 days together, and I saw a very different side of her. She was very relaxed, calm. Usually at home, she's from morning, it's an early morning for her, and she's in charge of the kitchen and the dining table, and everybody, what they like to eat. She has to make sure everybody has their choice of food, and the house is cleaned, and everything should be perfect for her. But we went together to a detox center in Coimbatore, and 10 days I saw her for the first time taking care of herself, you know, waking up late, no stress, and she was so happy. We went for these short walks in the evening, and definitely she was being missed a lot at home. But I saw a very different side of her there. So I think that's a very special trip we both have made together towards wellness, towards goodness, and we have really spoken a lot of things, gotten close, and shared a very good time together over there. So that was my most special trip with my mother-in-law.
Okay, Jyotika Garu, I want to ask you one question. So, of these two films you're releasing in this Friday on AHA, Maguvalu Matrame Inka Bangaru Talli, which one is your favorite role? Like, which role is closer to you? And do you have an element of both the characters in you? I would like to really know. I'm sure the viewers too.
I think both the characters are absolutely opposite for me, and Maguvalu Matrame is like absolutely like this fun and boisterous girl on a road trip who defies every norm of society, and Bangaru Talli is more like a social message which is very needed to spread today, something which is happening in society, and it's asking for your rights. It's asking for justice. It's asking for justice being given in time. And it's a very serious issue, and it really needs to be taken into consideration and handled today. So, both the characters are extremely different. But if you tell me which character is very close to my heart, I'd say Bangaru Talli, because I feel it's something which really needs to be addressed in today's world.